G'day legends, it's your boy, back again with another unboxing, and today I'm going to be unboxing this bad boy. So without further ado, let's jump straight into it. So just went and bought this from Super Cheap and plan to use it to get the old DFI module off the VY today in hopes I get it running. But yeah, those are all the sides. Got a little tab up there. I've already used my trusty scissors to cut the tab open, but if you're not old enough to cut things open, please get a parent or trusted adult. But yeah, so open the box, greet it with that, pull out the box, nothing else is in there as you guys can see, and yeah, so this is it here. Got a zip on the side that we're going to quickly pull. Alright, beautiful. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is what you get. So you get all that good stuff. I plan on using the sockets today to do what I need to do, but yeah, not a bad little starter kit for me because I'm having to start over again with all my tools and whatnot. Only cost me 40 something, down from 52 I think, because I had a $5 credit on my account from when I bought the power bank that I unboxed not long ago. But yeah, so bought this because I'm going to use the sockets to pull the old DFI module off the VY today, put the new one on that I got from Ace over at Ace Enthusiasts. I've got the card here, hang on. But yeah, so I plan on using that because I got a, there you go, there's the business card for old mate, if it wants to, come on. Can I get it to, no I can't. Anyway, it's Ace All Commodore Enthusiast. 155 Angle Vale Road, Angle Vale, 5117. Holden Auto Parts, Ace Auto Parts 02@gmail.com, and the phone number for that one is 0435 056 874. So yeah, you got that, and then you've got the QR code if you guys want to scan that. That's who I bought the DFI module from. I also did buy another DFI module and coil set from someone here in town, but you know, is what it is. At least that way, if one of them doesn't work out, I've got another one there. But yeah, anyway, that's going to do it for this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like, share, subscribe, turn notifications on. Make sure you follow me on all my socials. You know where they are. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.